Welcome and good morning to all of you. Last period we have seen the important articles, that is the classification of fishes or Pisces, classification of fishes or Pisces up to class level, bird classification. How bird these are to be classified, fishes into different classes. All these primary part or all these structure of classification put forth by Berg 1940. This classification which is to be have seen last week. Berg classified fishes into 7 classes. First class Pterichthys, second Coccysteia, third Acanthodi, fourth Elasmobranchi, fifth Holocephali, sixth Dipnoi, and seventh Teleostomi. In these 7 classes, first 3 classes Pterichthys, Coccysteia and Acanthodi, these are extinct on Earth planet. Today these are to be not present, today these are to be not found. All of these 3 classes on the body of these fishes, bony plate-like armor, bony shield is present, hence it is called as placoderms or placodermi. Which are these? That is Pterichthys, Coccysteia and Acanthodi. These are to be not today present. Then remaining class 4 class Elasmobranchi, class Holocephali, class Dipnoi and class Teleostomi. We have seen the general characters of these classes. First class, that is the class Elasmobranchi. Elasmobranchi surviving first class, but in all it is the 4th class. Barabar? In all it is the 4th class, but surviving is the first class, that is class Elasmobranchi. This Elasmobranchi is also called as Chondrichthyes. It is also called as Chondrichthyes, or it is also called as cartilaginous fish. It is also called as cartilaginous fish, or it is also called as marine water fish or marine water fishes. First surviving class, or in all 4th class of the fishes, the class Elasmobranchi. This class Elasmobranchi is also known as Chondrichthyes. This Chondrichthyes is also called as cartilaginous fish. This cartilaginous fish is also called as marine water fishes. Marine water fishes. Marine water fish means Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes means cartilaginous fish. Cartilaginous fish means Elasmobranchi. This class is important class. It is the ancient group of fish. It is the ancient primitive group of fish among the Pisces, among the fishes. This Elasmobranchi is more primitive or most primitive and ancient group of fishes. First time on Earth planet, this class these are to be surviving. most primitive, most ancient, and more than these fishes or these fishes of elasmobranchi, these are to be more powerful, more dominant from the Devonian period. From the Devonian period, these fishes, these are to be more than 400 million years ago. More than 400 millions years ago, these are to be survive. These are to be live on Earth planet. That is the class Elasmobranchi. Class Elasmobranchi, most primitive, most ancient, near about 400 years millions ago. This class, these are to be survived, these are to be flourished and developed on Earth planet. That is in Devonian period. And this class, these are to be important primitive class, that is the class Elasmobranchi. Class Elasmobranchi. Elasmobranchi is also called as chondrichthyes. What is my chondrichthyes? Chondrite means cartilaginous. And ichthyes means fish. In those fishes, endoskeleton is made up of in the form of cartilage or ribs. Come to me. In those fishes, endoskeleton is made up of in the form of cartilage or ribs. Hence, these are called as the chondrichthyes. Chondrite means cartilage or ribs. Ichthyes means fish. In those fishes, endoskeleton is made up of in the form of cartilage or in the form of ribs. In the form of cartilage or in the form of rib, that is called as chondrichthyes. Why it is called as chondrichthyes? Because endoskeleton. What is my endoskeleton?
Inside the body.
Internal framework of an body. Internal framework of an body is called as endoskeleton, on which animal these are to be fully formed, fully developed. ज्याच्यावर animal पूर्णतः develop झाले आहे. Internal framework. तुम्ही बरेच वेळेस पाहता. सिंबल पाहता की नाही? इंटरनल फ्रेमवर्क. इंटरनल बोन सांगाडा ज्याला आपण म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये. एंडोस्केलेटन म्हणजे इंटरनल सांगाडा, मधला सांगाडा, ज्याच्यावर इथं काय हात आहे, डोकं आहे, ऑल दीज. यस, सिमिलर. एंडोस्केलेटन इज मेड अप ऑफ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कार्टिलेज और रिब्स, hence called as chondrichthyes. It is also called as cartilaginous fishes because in these fishes internal framework endoskeleton is made up of in the form of cartilage, bones, cartilage, ribs. Hence it is called as cartilaginous fishes. Hence it is called as cartilaginous fishes, or it is also called as marine water fishes. Why it is called as marine water fishes? Because large number of species from this class, large number of fishes from class Elasmobranchi. Suppose imagine in this class Elasmobranchi, in all total 100 species these are to be reported found. From this 100 species, 99 species these are to be found, these are to be occur in marine water, in sea water, ocean water. In marine water, in ocean water. Hence it is called as marine water fishes. Marine water fishes का मतलब जाता है? Because large number of fishes, maximum number of fishes from this class Elasmobranchi, class chondrichthyes, class cartilaginous fish, these are to be found in marine water, sea water, salt water, ocean water. Hence it is called as marine water fishes. From this name, या नावामध्ये 4 कॅरेक्टर दडलेले आहेत. जनरल कॅरेक्टर किती?
चार.
4. इलियास्मोब्रांक काय? मोस्ट ancient primitive fishes evolved from the Devonian period and near about 400 million years ago. This is to be survive on Earth planet. Second, Elasmobranchia is also called as chondrichthyes because internal endoskeleton or endoskeleton is made up of in the form of ribs or cartilage. Hence it is called as chondrichthyes. Endoskeleton is in the form of cartilage rib, hence called as cartilaginous fish or marine water fish. Large number of species these are to be found survive in marine water, sea water, ocean water. Hence it is called as marine water fishes. Example of these fishes. Example is the shark, skates and rays. Example is the shark, skates and rays are the example. Sharks, skates and rays. These are the examples of the class Elasmobranchia. Shark, tiger shark. Then number of sharks these are to be present. Then skates. In these skates number of species these are to be found. In rays number of species these are to be found. But commonly it is called as shark, skates and rays. That is the example. First we have drawn diagram and then we have seen again few general characters. Yes. General characters of class Elasmobranchia. Elasmobranchia is called as chondrichthyes. Elasmobranchia is also called as cartilaginous fish. Elasmobranchia is also called as marine water fishes. This Elasmobranchia these are to be formed, that is skates, rays and sharks are the examples of these Elasmobranchia. In front of you on blackboard, this is the shark. Figure is the shark. It is called as dogfish. Or Scalodon. Dogfish. It is Scalodon is also called as dogfish. Shark, commonly shark. Scalidon, specific name, that is the Scalidon. It is also called as dogfish. It is also called as dogfish. What is the general character? Elasmobranchia is most ancient, primitive. Near about 400 million years ago, these are to be present. These are to be flourished around the Devonian period. This class, these are to be endoskeleton is made up of in the form of cartilage or ribs. Hence, it is called as chondrichthyes. Hence, it is also called as cartilaginous species. Exoskeleton, endoskeleton, internal. Exoskeleton is made up of in the form of dermal denticles. In the form of dermal denticles like placoid scales. Only in these class species. External or exoskeleton is in the form of dermal denticles like placoid scales. Like placoid scales are present on the surface, outer surface of the body. Outer surface of the body. Then this class possesses 5 to 7 pairs of spiracles. Or specially, it possesses 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits. 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits, in which first pair these are to be changed into spiracles. First pair these are to be changed into spiracles, and these spiracles, these gill openings, these are to be always naked. These are the gill openings. These are the gill openings. These gill opening, there is absence of gill cover or operculum. In this class, absence of gill cover or operculum. See, remember that this is the fish. Teleostomy member. This is the operculum or gill cover. Whole 5 gills, these are to be covered. 5 gills, these are to be covered by a covering. It is called as operculum or gill cover, a single opening. Here in Elasmobranchia, separate opening these are to present for gills. Hence, gills are naked. Gills are naked and separate opening these are to be occur in the Elasmobranchia. Spiracles, it is to be spiracles, and in bony fishes, such separate opening is to be not present. We can identify. How we can identify whether the fish is marine fish or whether the fish is bony fish or freshwater fish? Freshwater fish आणि marine fish तुम्ही कसं ओळखणार? Depending upon the gill cover. In bony fishes, single gill cover is present, and this single gill cover, these are to be covered all 5 gills. Here 5 to 7 gills are present, and these gills, these are to be remains naked, open outside by body, outside by body openly. Hence, it is called as spiracles. It is called as spiracles. Spiracles are present, and gill cover is to be absent. Gill cover is to be absent. In this class, Elasmobranchia, ear bladder is entirely absent. Ear bladder is entirely absent. No ear bladder is present. No ear bladder is to be occur. Then jaw suspension. Jaw suspension, upper jaw and lower jaw. This jaw suspension is to be amphistylic. Jaw suspension is amphistylic or hyostylic. Jaw suspension is amphistylic or hyostylic. Amphistylic or hyostylic jaw suspension. Tail is heterocircle. Heterocircle. Tail. Caudal fin is heterocircle. What is meant by heterocircle? When 2 unequal lobes are present. 2 unequal lobes are present, then it is called as heterocircle. Homocircle, when 2 lobes When these two lobes, these are to be similar, these are to be same, it is called as homocircle. When caudal fin is to be unequal, one lobe is to be longer, another lobe is to be shorter. Another lobe is shorter. One is to be well developed, another is to be less developed. It is called as heterocircle caudal fin. Caudal fin is heterocircle caudal fin. Tail is unequal. Heterocircle caudal fin, these are to be present, it is to be formed. Then in this elasmobranchi, three separate openings, these are to be present. Three separate openings, these are to be present. These three separate openings, these are called as anal opening, genital opening, and urinary opening. Anal opening for fecal matter, undigested food material. Genital opening for reproduction, and urinary opening for the urine material. Such combined opening is present. Such combined opening is to be occur. Then it is called as cloaca. It is called as cloaca. Cloaca is present in this class elasmobranchi. No doubt separate opening are present, but combinedly these are to be opened by a single opening. Combinedly opened by a single opening. Hence it is called as cloaca is present. In bony fishes, separate opening are present. Separate opening, these are to be opened by anal opening, fecal matter, by genital opening for gamete, and for urinary opening, it is called as urinary opening for urine. Separate opening, no union, but here common opening is present. Hence it is called as cloaca is present. Cloaca is present. In this class elasmobranchi, male and female we can identify externally. Male and female we can identify, that is sexual dimorphism is to be seen. Sexual dimorphism is to be seen. Sexes are separate. Male possesses a male copulatory organ called as clasper. Male possesses behind the pelvic fin. Behind the pelvic fin, a male copulatory organ. It is called as the clasper. It is called as clasper. Such clasper, these are to be absent in female fish. Remember that. When claspers are present, that is the male shark. When claspers are absent, the fish is a female shark. That is, claspers are the male copulatory organs. Claspers are the male copulatory organs. This class, these are to be primitive, less developed, ancient. This class is to be primitive, less developed, and ancient. Intestine of this class elasmobranchi. Intestine of class elasmobranchi possesses spiral wall in digestive system.